If you're a man over 60 and you've been feeling like your energy's on a slow drip, like your confidence isn't what it used to be, or like your performance in and out of the bedroom just isn't where it should be, let me tell you something important. This isn't just aging. It's not your fault. And no, it's not too late. I'm Dr. Samra Turajlic, an oncologist and a urologist. And what you're about to learn could completely change the way you feel about your body, your vitality, and your future. Because what you've been told about aging is only half the truth. The full truth is this. There are 3 critical vitamins, backed by science, proven in clinical studies, and missing from the lives of most men over 60, that could revive your energy, elevate your testosterone, sharpen your mind, and reignite that spark in your relationship. This isn't hype, it's biology. And by the end of this video, you'll walk away with a clear, actionable plan to reclaim the strength, focus, and confidence you thought you left decades ago. So stick with me because the next 10 minutes might just be the wake-up call your body has been waiting for. I've treated many men who were worn down, frustrated by their low energy, struggling with mood, memory, and even their performance in the bedroom. And I've seen profound transformations with the correction of 3 very specific nutrient deficiencies. You see, what many accept as the unavoidable side effects of aging, fatigue, declining testosterone, slower recovery, lowered libido, is often not aging at all. It's deficiency. And the great news is, deficiencies are fixable. Today, I want to take you through a real plan. We're going to explore 3 essential vitamins that directly affect male vitality, your energy, your mental and emotional well-being, even your sexual function. I'll break down why they're missing in most men over 60, what the latest research says about their role, and how to integrate them into your life safely and effectively. This isn't a fountain of youth fantasy. This is about functional optimization, giving your body what it requires to perform as it's meant to, regardless of age. Let's begin by facing the facts. After 60, the male body has already endured decades of hard work. Natural testosterone begins a steady decline, dropping by roughly 1% annually after age 30, and the cumulative loss can range between 30 to 40% by the time you hit your 60s. At the same time, your digestive efficiency weakens, your vascular system slows, and your body absorbs nutrients less effectively. Combine that with a standard Western diet that's low in critical micronutrients, and it's no surprise most men feel like they're powering through life on an empty tank. Unfortunately, instead of addressing these nutrient deficiencies, many in the medical community default to symptoms management, handing out prescriptions while the root causes remain untouched. Let's change that today, starting with the first powerhouse, vitamin D3, what I often refer to as the masculine vitality molecule. Despite its public reputation as the bone vitamin, vitamin D3 plays a far more dynamic role. It functions more like a hormone in the body than a traditional vitamin, and its relationship with testosterone production is critical. Multiple peer-reviewed studies have now demonstrated that men with optimal vitamin D levels consistently show testosterone levels that are 25 to 30% higher than those who are deficient. That's the difference between dragging your feet through the day and waking up with purpose and drive. So why are more than 80% of men over 60 walking around with dangerously low vitamin D levels? Well, several biological and lifestyle reasons compound with age. First, our skin, nature's vitamin D factory, becomes less efficient at synthesizing precursor molecules from sunlight. Second, as responsibilities shift us indoors, exposure to sunlight diminishes further. Third, geographic location plays a major role. If you live above the 35th parallel, north of Atlanta, you're not getting enough UVB rays for optimal vitamin D synthesis most of the year. So what's the next step? First, check your levels. Ask your physician to run a 25-hydroxy-vitamin D blood test. This is the most accurate way to measure your reserves. But don't be content with being within the normal range. That term is misleading. We're aiming for optimal, not just average. For vigorous health, you want your level between 40 and 60 nanograms per milliliter. In most cases, achieving this requires supplementation between 2,000 to 4,000 international units of vitamin D3 daily. And here's a crucial pharmacological insight. Vitamin D3 is fat-soluble. That means your body will absorb it far more effectively when taken with dietary fat. Think eggs, olive oil, avocados, or whole milk. Taking it on an empty stomach or with black coffee won't cut it. Now let's move to the second critical nutrient, vitamin B12, your cellular energy key. B12 is essential for the health of your nervous system, red blood cells, and for mitochondrial energy production. Think of it as the electrical wiring in your car engine. Without it, nothing inside works, no matter how powerful the engine is. Here's the issue. After age 50, stomach acid production declines markedly. And you need that acid to release B12 from food proteins. That means that even if you're eating foods high in B12, such as fish, meat, and eggs, your body might not be able to extract or absorb the vitamin. And you know, when this deficiency sets in, the effects can quietly chip away at your quality of life. Persistent fatigue, irritability, mental fog, memory lapses, mood disruption, and difficulty in the bedroom are all associated with low B12. In fact, research published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that men with B12 deficiency were 3 times more likely to face erectile dysfunction. The mechanism? Poor nerve communication and reduced blood flow, both of which B12 helps regulate. For most men over 60, I recommend supplementing with 500 to 1,000 micrograms of B12 daily, but be very particular about the form. Stick with methylcobalamin or adenosylcobalamin, the biologically active forms that your body can use immediately. Avoid cyanocobalamin, a synthetic form that requires conversion via the liver and doesn't work efficiently in many older adults. Sublingual B12, absorbed under the tongue, is an excellent option. It bypasses the compromised digestive system entirely and delivers the nutrients directly into the bloodstream. Now, our final vitamin is often misunderstood and vastly underestimated, vitamin C. Most people associate vitamin C with immune health, which is important. But in the context of male vitality, vitamin C earns its place because of how it supports circulation, mitigates stress, and enhances nitric oxide production, a key molecule responsible for blood vessel dilation. Let me paint the biochemical picture. Your blood vessels depend on collagen for structure, and vitamin C is required for collagen synthesis. It's also one of your body's premier antioxidants, shielding tissues, including your vascular and reproductive systems, from oxidative damage. More so, it supports your body's production of nitric oxide, the very molecule responsible for achieving and maintaining adequate blood flow to muscles, the brain, and yes, the reproductive organs. One large clinical study found that men over 60 who supplemented with 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C daily for 8 weeks experienced statistically significant improvements in erectile function, as well as overall energy, recovery time after exertion, and even emotional well-being. Vitamin C also helps to lower cortisol, the chronic stress hormone that works directly against testosterone and mood regulation. Unlike other vitamins, though, your body can't store vitamin C, so you'll need to replenish it daily. The target dosage here is 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams per day in divided doses, as taking it all at once can stress the gastrointestinal tract and reduce how much your body retains. Also, look for formulations that include bioflavonoids, which enhance the absorption and therapeutic value. Buffered vitamin C, paired with calcium or magnesium, is another great alternative if you're prone to stomach sensitivity. Now here's where true synergy comes in. These 3 nutrients, D3, B12, and C, don't operate independently. They act like a high-performance team. Vitamin D3 enhances hormonal health through testosterone regulation. Vitamin B12 drives the cellular processes that convert food to sustainable energy. Vitamin C fortifies your vascular system and stress response, allowing blood, nutrients, and oxygen to reach every critical area. When these systems work in harmony, everything changes. Your motivation, your cognition, your physical stamina, and yes, your performance. So what's the action plan? First, get tested, particularly for vitamin D and B12. These aren't exotic labs, they're mainstream, and most insurance plans will cover them. If not, they're cost-effective out of pocket. Second, introduce each nutrient gradually. Don't rush in with all three on day one. Begin with one vitamin, observe your energy levels and mood over a week or two, then add the next. This deliberate process gives you useful feedback on what your body is responding to most. Third, make them part of your daily routine. Supplements aren't drugs. You don't take them when you feel something. Their power lies in consistency. Link them to an existing habit, your morning coffee, brushing your teeth, or your daily walk. And finally, stay patient but observant. Some benefits, like the energy spike B12 provides, can show up in just days. Others, like improved circulation, may take 4 to 6 weeks of steady nourishment. Optimization is not an overnight miracle. It's a long-term strategy. A brief word of caution. While these vitamins are considered exceptionally safe, if you're currently on blood thinners, have advanced kidney disease, or are managing chronic conditions, always consult your healthcare provider before making changes. To leave you with this, reclaiming your vitality after 60 isn't about chasing your younger self. It's about becoming your best self now. It's about identifying the missing pieces in your internal chemistry and restoring function where it's lagged due to neglect, not decay. You are not too old to feel amazing. What you may be is under-resourced. And the difference between fatigue and vitality, between frustration and fulfillment, might just be the repletion of these foundational nutrients. If this video brought you value, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more doctor-led, evidence-based health content made for men 60 plus, and share it with someone whose life could change from these 3 simple vitamins. Because aging is inevitable, but decline is optional, and with the right strategy, your strongest years might still be ahead of you. I'm your doctor, Samra Turajlic, signing off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.